No, he started this.
I got you.
Hallucination.
He started to talk about the
What was
eyes.
that test though?
He started.
Yeah, man, what's up with that?
Go.
That's how we know you high back there. Go.
Everybody is sitting. We're standing here for 1 hour. Come on, Mr.
Oh, that's you.
that's
It's 9 o'clock. We got class at 11 o'clock.
Oh, come on, Mr. Really?
Come on.
So check this out. So for finals, okay, you still have to know sequence of operation. So that sequence of operation involves what?
Troubleshooting.
Troubleshooting. That's it. That sequence of operation involves troubleshooting.
YouTube.
I gave you a taste of that already, right? So when I say study sequence of operation, is we need to know that to be able to troubleshoot. Okay, some of that we talk about this. We talk about it already. It's not going to be no more than chapter 30. What? 31.
31.
Okay.
Yeah, but you
chapter
not gonna give
31.
us a study
What
guide?
about 32?
Yeah, I did give you a study guide for 31, right?
Yeah, you did say it was gonna be some stuff off of that.
Okay, off of that, okay, and also remember,
That's 10 questions.
remember I gave you a written quiz was it this week? Yesterday?
Day before.
Day before. Very well. Something like that, and of course, troubleshooting out of sequence of operation. Troubleshooting out of sequence of operation. So we know sequence of operation. For example, let's say we call for heat. We call for heat. Okay, and we know that the door is closed. Okay, we know that the door is closed. It has 24 volts. I mean, it has 110 volts. The door is closed. It has 110 volts.
That door switch has 110 behind it?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. The door, the service panel door, 110. Okay. Okay, and we know that the thermostat is calling for heat. You okay? We know that the thermostat is calling for heat. How do we know? Because the blow motor came on, right? And nothing else happened. Where are we going to start looking?
Press the squeak.
The hose or
And then hose squeak.
Something like that. Exactly. We did that already, right? The what?
Hole press.
Trash where? Don't just say trash. Don't just say trash. Because I don't know where you're looking at the trash.
trash where?
Exactly. Trash where?
Yeah, where is
The
that?
hole.
In the spud. Okay. So things like that. Okay. Things like that. So if the guy, if you smell gas,
The guy didn't come on.
Night is not on.
so if the burner comes on, in few seconds it goes off. What I was suspecting.
Best flame sensor. Bad flame sensor.
A what?
Bad flame sensor.
Bad.
You
Say bad.
Bad.
Bad flame sensor. Very good. Bad flame sensor. Sound just like me.
That's messed up.
Hey, that man been talking about that damn flame switch. Came back in. He said, "Shit, it's gonna be right eventually."
What was that you said earlier? Benchmark? I didn't know what the first time you said it. I did not understand anything. Anyway,
You still don't know what that is, huh? You still don't know what the hell that is up to today.
Do we clean it or we replace it?
Dre motherfucker.
Say that again, sir.
Flame sensor.
Yeah.
Do we
Very well. Hey. Say that again.
Do we clean it or we replace it?
Replace it.
No, you can actually remember.
$1 bill. Take it out.
Remember the video. The man says if
Hondo.
you come through that, you can get either $1 bill or very soft fine sandpaper.
I thought you said no sandpaper.
and you can use sand, you
said
can
dollar
use
bill.
a dollar bill,
Yeah,
or you can use a very, very
You
fine
use $100 bill
Fine.
for years.
sandpaper